Now the aroma of this smells really, really nice. Smells like warm autumn, fall vibes. That's what it's getting.
Listen long enough, you can love me. Listen long enough, you can love me.
Alright, y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some tea for cramping. We're going to take our kettle and pour in our hot water, just like halfway. I do this so that my tea bag strings don't go into the water. Next, we are going to take our chamomile tea. I got this from the Dollar Tree. It is some good tea to take from there. They also have other ones, but today we're going to be doing this one. Take that and put that in there like so. Next, we're going to be taking our raspberry leaf tea. You can get this at Walmart. This works great too. And as you can see, it says that it eases menstrual cramps and support a healthy pregnancy. But we don't have no pregnancies over here. We're just trying to ease our menstrual cramps. So let's go ahead and add this in. Just going to add that in right along with our chamomile tea. And let's see what this says for today. Bring me the sunset in a cup. We shall see. Next, we're going to take us some ground cinnamon. This is the only cinnamon that I have here at home. I do plan to go and get me some cinnamon sticks, but for right now, this will do. And we're just going to add some cinnamon in there. They said cinnamon does help when it comes to menstrual cramps, so we're going to see about that. And I have some frozen ginger shots here. If you haven't seen my video on how to make these, I'm going to link them down below there where you can go ahead and make them yourself. We're just going to pop this out. And if you're wondering where I got this ice tray from, I did get it from the Dollar Tree. And we're just going to transfer that into our little mixture. And then we are going to add the rest of our water until it reaches the top. So this little concoction is supposed to help with menstrual cramps, and I will let you guys know. Now the aroma of this smells really, really nice. Smells like warm autumn, fall vibes. That's what it's getting. It's giving fall vibes. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix that in. Also, ladies, don't forget to reuse your tea bag. So once I am done with this, I can just add more water along with the other ingredients, and we can use it again. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next.